Consultant Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Goa government recommends Justice B. Sudarshan as the first Lokayukta of the state. False complaint to Lokayukta to attract fine of 1 to 10 lakh rupees. Government approves 725 new posts. Goa government to file affidavit before the Supreme Court in mining case within 3 days. Affidavit includes number of mining dependents, impact on Goan economy and measures to tackle illegal mining. Molestation on girls continue in the state. Schoolgirl allegedly molested by a peon at Marcel. Home Minister says every crime can't be termed a law and order problem. Panji renovation to cost around 100 crores. 2 years time to turn Panji into Dream City. Margao, Vasco and Ponda in line. A special Bollywood float parade at the Goa Carnival Festival, major attraction this year. Stars like Neha Dhupia, Isha Kopikar, Tanushree Datta to participate. Festival from 8 to 12 February. Now news in detail. Goa government has recommended Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court to appoint former Supreme Court Judge Justice B. Sudarshan as the first Lokayukta of the state. Lokayukta's term has been fixed to 5 years. False and frivolous complaint to Lokayukta will attract fine of 1 to 10 lakh rupees and 1 year imprisonment. Government has also approved 725 new posts, 325 for primary English teachers and 400 for special forest guards. Chief Minister briefed media after cabinet meet on Wednesday.
लोक आयुक्ताचे पत्र हांवें हायकोर्ट चीफ जस्टिसाक बरयल्लें आसा. बी सुदर्शन रेड्डी चे नांव आमी रिकमेंड केल्लें आहा सुप्रीम कोर्टाचो जुईज. लोकायुक्त एमेंड करपाचें सरकारान ठरयल्लें आहा. एमेंडमेंट आहा ती एक म्हणजे इट इन्क्लूड्स ऑल कॉर्पोरेशन एंड बोर्ड ऑर सोसायटी ऑफ स्टॅच्युटरी एंड नॉन स्टॅच्युटरी नेचर. म्हणजे मातशें इल्लें डेफिनेशन वायडर केलां. काही संघटना सुट्टाल्यो म्हणून त्यो इन्क्लूड केल्या. The Lokayukta shall be a person who has held the office of Judge of Supreme Court or of a Chief Justice of High Court. म्हणजे पोस्ट अपग्रेड केलो. 3 वर्साचो टर्म आसा आमच्या हातून. सो दॅट टर्म इज बीइंग इन्क्रीज टू 5 years. आणि ताज्यामुळे कॉन्सिक्वेंट इफेक्ट म्हणजे 70 वर्सां तो लोकायुक्त आसूंक शकता. तो 73 वर्सां पर्यंत वय येला जे ह्या असेंब्लीक पास जातले. वन क्लॉज इज इफ एनी वन एप्लायज टू द लोकायुक्ता ताका फी प्रिस्क्रायब केली वतली. द कंप्लेन इज फॉल्स और फ्रिवलस there shall be fine of minimum 1 lakh subject to maximum 10 lakhs and the person can go to jail up to 1 year. 325 posts trained English teacher for government primary school हाका अप्रुवल दिल्ले आसा. 400 फॉरेस्ट गार्डाचे पोस्ट केल्या तयार. 70% ह्या वायल्ड लायफ आनी वायल्ड लायफ प्रॉक्सिमिटी झोनांतल्या लोकांक नोकरी मेळटली. 30% will be given to the people residing in forest talukas. क्रिएट केल्या. हातूंच्यान म्हाका दिसता मायनींग वाल्यांक म्हणजे these are mine areas also. So fund is from Kampa source. आमचेच पैसे ते. This will also indirectly take care of the मायनिंग बेल्ट एम्प्लॉयमेंट. पावर डिपार्टमेंटाचे पोस्ट क्रिएट करून आमी 1701 पोस्ट म्हणटा पळय. दोज आर बिकॉज दे आर क्रिएटेड बिकॉज वी वॉन्ट टू रेगुलरायज कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट पीपल. वी डोंट नॉट नेसेसरली ऑल ऑफ देम बट मोस्ट ऑफ देम बिकॉज ऑफ एक्सपिरियन्स and knowledge will get it. So we have decided very clearly that contract we will only relax their age and they will be considered subject to the other RR. After 2010 तांकां आमी consider करचें. That is the cabinet decision.
Goa government will file an affidavit within 3 days before the Supreme Court in the mining case. Affidavit includes number of mining dependents, impact on Goan economy and measures to tackle illegal mining. BJP MLAs Subhash Fardesai and Michael Lobo showed support to the mining dependent at Azad Maidan on Wednesday. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo said that government needs to take all party delegation to centre since mining ban also affects tourism.
On Wednesday, mining people front chain in protest at Azad Bhavan entered into 9 days. Sangam BJP MLA Subhash Fardesai showed his full support to the front and informed that affidavit will regard to the mining is ready and will be filed before the Supreme Court within 3 days.
सगळे इन्फॉर्मेशन सरकाराक सुप्रीम कोर्टाक दिवचे पडटा म्हणूनच आयज हे सगळे रेडी जाल्ले आसा की कितल्या प्रमाणात इल्लीगल मायनिंग एखादे वेळ जर जालें जाय जाल्यार कितले जालें हे सगळे म्हणजे इतकी एक्युरसी आसची पडटा ना जाल्यार ते एफिडेविट भायर वता म्हणून चड आनी चड गोवा सरकारान केअर घेतिल्ली आसा. एफिडेविट इज रेडी एज ऑन टुडे. एफिडेविट इज रेडी अँड आय थिंक द टीम ऑल्सो आमकां सांगिल्लें की 24 तारीख पयली टीम आसा ती दिल्लीक पावतली.
Kalangut BJP MLA Michael Lobo opinion that Goa government should take all party delegation to centre, keeping all the political differences aside. Lobo also expressed that ban on mining has direct effect on tourism in the state.
All parties, MG, आमचो काँग्रेस, BJP, UJDP कोण आहा तितले आमी वचोंक जाय सेंट्रल हेका दिल्ली बसपाक जाय आनी हेचो सुटावो काडपाक जाय. जर इगो घेवन बसले आमी स्टेट आनी सेंट्रल जाल्यार हे सुटावो जावचो ना. मुवमेंट ऑफ मनी जे मार्केटान आहा ते सगळे बंद जाल्ले आहा. सो फायनली everybody who is directly and indirectly depending on mining is affected. So tourism is also affected in a big way.
Mining People's Front has demanded restoration of legal mining as soon as possible. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with Devendra Gaukar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.